Anaheim, we have 7-Day Dental. I'd like to share with you today some information about Anaheim teeth whitening. Teeth whitening improves the smile and makes your teeth glisten. It gives you more confidence and you feel better. What happens with teeth whitening is sometimes there's sensitivity, but we have different ways of applying our procedures such that you don't have the sensitivity. Stains like wine and coffee and genetics can play a role in darkening the teeth. So we want your teeth really clean and we want to provide the best service possible. We take pictures before and after to show you the change in your color to more white. After you have your whitening, you need to follow up with trays with some solution in it to keep you on a basis of one every week or so to keep it up. There is a problem sometimes with restorations. They need to be changed after you whiten your teeth to match those whiter teeth. There's some myth that goes around about what teeth whitening is very detrimental to enamel. That's false. It does not hurt the enamel. We have safe and professional treatment awaits you at 7-Day Dental for teeth whitening. So, call any one of our offices, not just the Anaheim office, and make an appointment. We'll go through all the procedures with you and what's the best possible treatment for you. So, make us a call today and we'll help you. Thanks.